was looking for a top-ranked business school that acted on shaping responsible business leaders.
I wanted to have a really good university, one that has a really good ranking place.
That it's increasingly becoming a more technological-oriented city.
There's innovation hubs, there's huge Mobile World Congress.
It's a place where there are so many opportunities for you.
And what you do at Esade is you actually get to work with companies, you get to work with startups.
You have a great networking with top-tier companies and great job opportunities. I wanted to have some more quantitative tools to be able to take decisions.
To understand structures in a different perspective, to have an holistic view of the situation of the processes.
My class of 53 students represents 13 different nationalities. That challenges my assumptions and my beliefs.
It's a global journey with future decision makers.